Hello, traders. Sorry about that. Welcome to tradingwithbill.com. I'm Bill. We're in Thailand. Beautiful day today. White blue skies, absolutely gorgeous. A little cool, but I'm going to tell you, it's getting hot. All right, so pretty decent day yesterday in the markets, but not Forex. The options market, New York Stock Exchange, entered 3 positions yesterday, so hope that all works out. Busy trading day yesterday. DAX, nice trade I had in the DAX yesterday. Yeah, good trading day. Good to be back. Good to markets moving. I don't want to hear nobody complaining about volatility, right? This is a good thing. We want volatility, folks. Remember we went all those months where nothing happened? Well, it's coming back. It's coming back. It's great. Really, it's good stuff. All right, let's take a look at what's going on. We have Aussie's got retail sales month on month today. That'll be a one to watch. CPI out of the euro. ADP non-employment change today, right? NFP week this week. What else do we got? Durable goods out of the U.S. and crude oil inventories as usual. So the European session looks pretty lackluster. Absolutely, really nothing going on in the European session today. Just taking a peek over on the other side of the screen here. Looks like, yeah, Bitcoin at 7,000. Yeah, I see it going back to 4. I said that from when it was at 18. Said it was going back to 4. It's heading that way. Doing a good job. Go Bitcoin. Dollar index, 89.80. Well, see what happens with that. Traders, let's get to the charts. That's the most important thing we do here. You know what? Just let me peek at. Let's just peek at. Crude still at 63.47. Brent oil is at 68.05. Again, I thought it was going to head for that 70 mark. It looks like it's going to do it. So here we go, and here we go. All right, let's get to the charts, my friends. All right, so euro dollar. Now, this nice move yesterday. I missed this, by the way, but this was really a nice move. Right off that 200 exponential moving average, the green line on the chart. Absolutely right spot on to the downside. Now we just need this pullback to that 200 exponential moving average, the green line on the chart, and we'll sell this, right? Looks good. The 10 EMA is below price, pushing its way up. We want that teal line, that 55, to get flat out sideways, and hopefully we'll go back up to this 200 and we'll sell it. Looks like a really good trade setup today in the euro. Let's jump over to the Great British Pound, see if it looks any better than it did yesterday. Well, not really. Not really, right? So we just get rid of that fib there. You know, what are you gonna do here? Yeah. What are you gonna do here? Well, you know, I'm not taking it here, folks, right? I'm not gonna take it here. This at a minimum's gotta get up to 40.90, right? 40.90. So when we get back to this level here at 40.70, we'll break even. We're 20 pips in profit. We're, you know, we can go 5, and if it whips us back the other way, we can do that. Now, it's a good day today because, you know, the European markets are really slow today, data-wise. It's not a lot of data, so it's a technical day. But I surely don't want to short this here. We do not want to short this here. In fact, let's take a look at something here. So if we take this and take this over to this high, yeah, that's even better, right? Let's bring that up here. And we'll short it there. And that's at 40.95. 40.95, we can take that and we'll short it. That looks like a much better deal to me. Much, much better deal on this pound. But nothing to do where it's at now. This doesn't even look like, you know, if we get this at London Open, I'd be surprised. We're more looking like probably 2 or 3 hours into the session, really close to London lunch before this will work out. So just keep an eye on it. Looks good. Looks good. Let's go to the New Zealand dollar today. I like this. Looking pretty decent here. You know, angle and separation is pretty big here, right? These EMAs just pointing up with this angle here, this separation. So this might not do anything, but if you had to make a make a choice, right? Let's get up to that high there. That's at 72.11. So anywhere in that area, right? So maybe get down to 71.90, right? I'm sorry, 72.70. No, sorry, that's right. That's good. Okay, yeah, 72.70. We're short it there, right? We're short it there. Let this keep going up. Let it go to that high of that wick there and see if we can get a bearish candlestick formation, and we'll do it. We'll do it. So that looks good on the New Zealand. Now, you know, we're really bearish on the New Zealand dollar. The only reason why this New Zealand is gaining a little up move is because the dollar's so weak, right? The dollar's getting a beating. No doubt about that. It's getting them beaten. So, you know, that's, wow, look at all these arrows I got on this chart. Isn't that funny? So we will just wait for this to pull back up. Now, there's one other thing that you can do. There is one other thing you can do. And that is you can do a trend line move here, right? Do a trend line move here. So if you took this trend line and did something like that, right? And you're back to the same situation here. And you can take it down that way. Now, the only reason I point that out is, you know, maybe this might not get up to the high. And the other thing is you might not feel comfortable waiting for that because it might overshoot. So you got two options here. I prefer the 72.70 short rather than, you know, waiting for it to get down to the 72.50 area and then short it. You know, we want as much room as we can to get break even as quickly as possible. But these EMAs, again, angle and separation to the upside, right? Just angle and separation to the upside. So we'll see what happens. Looking good, looking good. Let's take a look at, ooh, easy there, William, easy, William. There we go. Let's take a look at the Aussie. Yeah, nothing going on with the Aussie dollar, folks. Really, there is just nothing going on with the Aussie dollar. That's not an alert or anything like that. But there's nothing here. There's nothing to do here at this Aussie dollar. Just leave it alone, right? Just leave it alone. It's in a mess there. All your EMAs entwined like spaghetti. You know, there's nothing going on. This needs to break to the downside, which is what I expected to do. And, you know, you'd love to see a pullback. So if you wanted to look at this, we can do something like a fib level here, just to give you a spot where to look at. We're going to take this all the way down to here. Right, so really, my guess was not too bad. So yeah, 77.35, right? 77, yeah, 77.40. We'll get up to the 786.50, and we'll take it down from there. We're not doing nothing here, folks. I don't even care if it breaks below this mess. I'm not going to take anything here, right? Just leave this alone, okay? Leave it alone for sure. Let's just take a gander at, we're just doing majors today. We can take a look at, let's take a look at the Euro Yen. You know, again, sideways, EMAs intertwined, not a lot going on. You know, do I think that, you know, do I think this is going to pull back up to here? Probably not. Probably not. You know, I just don't see this giving us our shot here, right? That's what we want, though. You know, right? That's what we want. We want this to come back up to that 130 area, right? And we'll short it. That's looks decent to me. But I just don't think it's going to happen. I think we're going to get something more like this. And I think this is just going to give us the old, right? We want at least a 3-touch trend line. And we want, why does this make this so difficult? Forget this. Anyhow, you get this. We get this trend line break, and you know what? We'll just take this right to the downside. Now, I don't like that. I'll be honest with you, I don't like that. And the reason is, look at all this junk, right? This got to battle this, right? You have levels here all over the place. So it's not my favorite choice, but if you take a look at it, it's now closed below the 200 exponential moving average. Of course, that's being the green line on the chart. And it's now closed below it, and the 10 is on top of the current candle. So, and it looks like it just broke the trend line. So that might be our ticket down there. So you know what? I'm going to wait for it to clear. Let it clear that 55 and see what it looks like. You know, if you get a good candle, like in this area here, you know, maybe we could take this at 130.50. Maybe that's not a bad idea. Maybe 130.50 is not a bad idea. So why don't we bring this down a little bit? Yeah, 130.50. Let's do something like that. What do you think? Sounds good? So that's the way I look. That's the way I see it, right? We'll just take this down to that level there. All right. I don't see anything else of any. The dollar CAD is absolutely dumping. The dollar CAD is absolutely just dumping, right? Wow, look at that. Angle separation is absolutely tanking, right? So what we're going to see here is, and that's probably because of the oil situation, right? We're almost close to that $70 a barrel. So oil is ruling this pair. And we're going to see, most likely, we're going to see L for lower. If this does pull back, it just wants to catch up to the EMAs, right? It might want to catch back up to that 55 EMA, sort of level itself out, and then continue to the downside. I'm more in favor of saying this is just going to head sideways, L for lower, and just continue to sink and continue down. We'll see. I'd rather pull back to the 55, and then we'll take a look at that. My friends, it's time for the beautiful and the ugly. It's a dollar index. Hey, at least we got a notch up yesterday. We're outside our little range we put in there yesterday, so it's not looking too bad, except it's coming down. We want to see this to the upside, right? We want this to get up to 90 and above. Above that 90-30 area would absolutely be beautiful. It's not foggy. It's looking okay. I'm glad we're out of that range, but looks like it wants to go back to the range, right? Traders, thank you so much for being with me. Always remember to trade smart, not hard. We'll see you tomorrow morning in Asia. Have a great trading day. Catch you soon. Bye-bye now.